Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L550 driver. So open any browsers to type Google search box Epson L550 driver, and after that you can see the first website epson.co.in. This is the official website or Epson sites, so you can download driver. So just click to download. Scroll down. Not required the change the operating system. By default you can see Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, if you want to change the difference, so you can. Otherwise if you are using Windows 11, and you can select this. Okay, the driver. So printer driver, and click to download. After that you come to another side. Scroll down, I agree, and scroll down. Means this OS is support like this Windows 10 1164, Windows 1160 1064 bit. So Windows 10 11, so both will support this. Okay, and this is size. You just click to download. After a few seconds it will start downloading, and it will depend about your internet speed. It will take some time. If you have a good internet, so you can quickly see this like that, and just click to open, and then click to yes for the administrator rights installations. Okay, after that you can see L55 series, and then click to OK, and then select the operating system, click to OK. Now I agree, and then OK. After that you can see there are two options. First is network and second is USB. So if you want to install the via network, so you just click to search options, and after that you can see IPv4 and specific, so enter the IP address. Okay, and if you want to search automatically, means you don't know about the IP address, so you select, and then you click to OK. After that you can see this, it will scan and detect. Okay, second one you can see the USB connections. So you have to connect a printer to your laptop and desktop via USB. After that select the USB, and then you can see it will detect and it will install. After that next to install. This is very simple step. Okay, then next you can see I will come back on this printer. You can see the scanner. You click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and click to download. And download it. Just open, then yes, and then next, I accept, next. Now you can see this is installing. And then click to finish, then restart your system, and then please check.